Here we go. It's still chilly. Going back to Teresa's because we accidentally paid for only one toy, and I want to make sure everything is right by the universe. Here comes an ambulance. It's so bright out. Bright light, bright light. Nice turn, lady. Stop. Go. I'm not waiting for you. Did you like my graceful stopping? I know I should have waited for that pedestrian, but she's walking too damn slow. Oh, that looks good. My sticker needs replacement. I'll do that next spring. Hands are cold. Oh, there's another motorcycle. He's got a helmet cover. Look to your right. Oh, okay. Yeah, I do that too. The bird's standing there watching. No, he's just observing. It's just a curb. You're in a big truck. It's just gonna look ungraceful. I wanna wave to the dude. Look up, bunny. Look up. Oh, thank you. I made a friend. It is so cold. So we'll just go down to the bus depot thing. Alright. At the end of the day, I want to sleep well at night, you know? Oh, I could zip up my coat. They're so cute. His and hers. That is awesome. Shawn was twinning. Okay. Well, I guess with half of it broken, it takes half the time to put it on. Oh, I popped off a crow. Oh, it's not even sticky anymore. I'll gift it to somebody. Let's just see how long it stays there. I love you. cute. I love it. Oh, I love it. It's so pretty. My eyes are blind. Oh, going around the world to the left. I've done that before. Well, maybe he's going to make a left turn, or he's just going to continue to go around the world to the left. Relax my shoulders. Oh, it's so pretty. It's nice to see this with some sun. I don't know how the cameras are going to capture it because they're not the best when it starts to get low light. That's alright. Next year we got goals. We got goals for new camera setups, and well, I'm going to have a new schedule, so I'll have to figure out when I'm going to edit more videos. Ooh, I remember the sweet spot. I remember. Let's hopefully it's staged that way. Right. This should be the sweet spot. Ooh, birds. They're flying in circles. Whee! Ooh, that wind is knocking me to the side. It is a breezy day. Hello, pedestrians. What's up, pedestrians? Ooh, it's cold. This might be my last ride of the season. I don't know yet. Beep, beep goes my camera. I can squeeze in.